Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to reset Windows power plan to the default settings. So first of all, go to start and search control panel. Open control panel. Now search in control panel power options. This one, so click it. Now click on change plan settings. Now in here click on change advanced power settings. So now here is the option restore plan defaults. Just click on it, click on yes, then click on OK. Now restart your PC. So by this easy and simple method, you can reset Windows 10 power plan to the default settings. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more updates.